All organisms on Earth make up the six kingdoms of life, some of which we notice in our everyday life, such as animals, fungi, and plants, but some of which are mostly invisible to the human eye, such as bacteria, protists, and archaea. These last three kingdoms, invisible yet very much present, will be the topic of this video. Now, when looking at the phylogenetic tree of the six kingdoms, it can be seen which one of them is played at which point starting from the universal common ancestor. A division that can be made is between prokaryotes, which bacteria and archaea belong to, as these are unicellular and have no membrane-bound nucleus and organelles, and eukaryotes, which have a nucleus enclosed within membranes. Now we will take a closer look at the three kingdoms. Bacteria means staff cane, as the first bacteria ever discovered was rod-shaped. Bacteria are the oldest organisms on Earth. Their key features are the evolution of a flagella as a way of moving and an outer cell wall unique in its kind. Bacteria can be found in the human body as well as everywhere on Earth. Bacteria are classified in relation to their shapes. Spherical-shaped bacteria are kochi, such as the Streptococcus. Bacilli are rod-shaped bacteria, such as the Mycobacterium tuberculosis. And spiral bacteria or spirilla are bacteria, such as the Campylobacter jejuni, the bacteria causing the most cases of food poisoning. The word Archaea means ancient, from its Greek roots, yet they are the most recently discovered kingdom, firstly discovered in the 1980s. These have the size and shape of bacteria, yet their metabolic pathways are more similar to the ones of eukaryotes. The main characteristic of Archaea is that they are found in the most extreme environments, which is how they are also classified. Halophiles, or salt-loving Archaea, are only found in environments rich in salt, such as the Great Salt Lake in Utah. Thermophiles are the most heat-resistant organisms on Earth. They have been found in temperatures of up until 180 degrees Celsius. They are usually found in the proximities of hot springs or volcanoes. Methanogens are called so because they produce methane as a waste product of breaking down cellulose in animals, such as cows. Now, protists, meaning the very first, are thought to be the most recent ancestors of plants, animals, and fungi, and therefore show a huge variety in species. Protists can be unicellular or multicellular. The one thing they share is that they all live in aquatic or moist environments. All protists are able to reproduce sexually and asexually. This is why protists are also called the junk drawer, as they are eukaryotes which don't really fit in any of the other eukaryote kingdoms. They are also categorized in respect to their resemblance to these other kingdoms. An example of protozoa or animal-like protists which are usually capable of movement is the Plasmodium falciparum, known to cause malaria. Algae or plant-like protists possess chloroplasts, but don't have proper roots or leaves. They count species such as the Euglena. Fungi-like protists feed on decaying matter like fungi, but their cell wall is made out of cellulose and not chitin, like fungi. An example for molds is the Fuligoseptica, also known as dog vomit mold.
That's it with the video. See ya.